Here's a great deal on a 2012 Nissan Rogue. With just over 25,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a roof rack, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.